Kelly.
Hello, Father Chris. How are you today?
Oh, thank you. I'm doing good. And what about you?
Oh, thanks. I'm good. You know what I noticed? I noticed that, it's the first Sunday. First, I will call it normal Sunday.
What do you mean with normal Sunday?
Well, we had Easter Sunday, then we had a Divine Mercy Sunday, then we had a Good Shepherd Sunday, and Mother's Day Sunday. So this is a regular Sunday.
Oh, yeah. Well, no, it's not a regular Sunday. I would say it's the last Sunday.
What? What do you mean with last Sunday?
Well, this Sunday is the last Sunday that we were gonna participate on the online masses. From next Sunday, the churches in our diocese will be open, so we're gonna go back to the church.
Does it mean that we will not do any more the show?
Well, this is a very good question, Kelly. I'm glad that you asked that.
Well, so what are you going to do?
Maybe we'll leave the choice to your fans.
Oh yeah, I love it.
So did you check how many subscribers do you have?
I believe it is around 250.
Oh, that's a very good number.
Oh yes.
So we have usually like 100 views per every episode. So what do you think we can challenge the viewers?
I know that they love me, and they like me, and they like the show.
You're very humble, Kelly.
Well, it's true. I'm just saying the truth, so, well, you can't say the truth, can't you?
Well, yes you do. Continue, Kelly. The humble.
Thank you, Father Chris. Finally, you saw my true face. So, since we have like 250 subscribers, and every week we see like around 100 and 150 viewers, so let's say we want to see 50 comments. 50 comments that will say, yes, we want to have the show. If we do 50 comments, then we'll continue with the show. Kelly.
And Father Chris.
Yes.
Okay, so that's your challenge. 50 comments. You can just say a word yes. If we get 50, then we continue to do what we do.
Yeah. I think there'll be more. You'll be surprised how they love.
Okay, Kelly. I believe in you. I trust in you.
And now, let's go to the gospel.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to John. Jesus said to his disciples, "If you love me, you will keep my commandments. And I will ask the Father, and he will give you another advocate to be with you always, the Spirit of truth, whom the world cannot accept, because it neither sees or knows him. But you know him, because he remains with you and will be in you. I will not leave you orphans. I will come to you. In a little while the world will no longer see me, but you will see me, because I live and you will live. On that day you will realize that I am in my Father, and you are in me, and I in you. Whoever has my commandments and observes them is the one who loves me. And whoever loves me will be loved by my Father, and I will love him and reveal myself to him." The Gospel of the Lord.
So, Kelly, what do you think about the gospel?
Okay, I don't understand one thing.
Well, it's just one. Lucky me.
Well, yes, Jesus said that he will send them an advocate. Are they in trouble?
What do you mean in trouble?
Well, if they need an advocate, it means that they are, I don't know, in jail, or they did something. Did they murder someone?
Well, no, they didn't murder anyone.
So why do they need an advocate?
Well, the advocate that Jesus is speaking about is the Holy Spirit.
Wait a minute. I thought that the Holy Spirit is the bird.
What bird?
Well, the bird that flies over Jesus, the Holy Spirit.
Oh, you mean the dove?
Well, yeah, that's what I said, the bird. So Holy Spirit is the bird. Who is the advocate?
Well, the advocate, what is Jesus talking about? He's talking about the Holy Spirit.
So he's not anymore a bird? He's not an advocate? He's a lawyer? Did he finish law school?
No,
Okay, so maybe if I get in trouble, which I am obvious, maybe
too many questions. I don't know to which question should I answer. So yes, the Holy Spirit comes to us, or came in a form of a dove. But when Jesus calling the Holy Spirit, he used the word paraclete.
Oh my goodness. There we go. Hi, Chris. This is a show for kids. You're supposed to make things simple, and now you bring another guy. Who is this paraclete?
Well, so paraclete, the advocate, and the dove, well, the bird, and the Holy Spirit, they're all the same.
So why does he have so many names?
Well, because every name describes something else that he represents.
Okay, so start with the advocate.
So the advocate, it represents that the Holy Spirit is protecting us. So like you said about the jail and the trouble, the disciples, after Jesus went back to heaven, they were persecuted. They were thrown into the jail and they have to defend themselves.
So did the bird came and defend them?
No, the bird didn't came and didn't defend them. But the bird gave them the power, the Holy Spirit gave them the power to speak and be wise. So the Holy Spirit gave them the knowledge to defend themselves. Yes, the bird, Holy Spirit, is working invisible.
So he is the defender. So if I need some help, I can ask the bird, the Holy Spirit, and he will help me.
Yes, he will help you, he will defend you, and defend your faith, basically, because this is all about to defend their faith.
Okay, so you mentioned also something about the paralytic, paraflyer.
No, it's a paraclete. See, the original word in the describing the Holy Spirit is paraclete, and one of the meaning is the advocate, so it's a defender. But the other meaning is a comforter.
What do you mean by a comforter?
Well, if you feel sad, bad, you need someone that will sit next to you and be with you and say everything will be fine. I'm with you. I'm keep you at company. You're gonna be safe. Somebody that comforts you, that gives you a hug and lift you up.
Oh, so the Holy Spirit is like a therapist?
So yeah, he would be like a sort of therapist that he will lift you up whenever you are down.
Oh, so he's a defender and a lifter up.
Yes, basically the word paraclete combines two words together, the advocate and the comforter. And it depends, and that's a nice thing. It depends which translation. Then each translation use a different meaning of the Holy Spirit. Like the English Bible says about the advocate, but the Polish Bible they said about a comforter, and the Spanish Bible they describe of parakletos. So every Bible, the translation use a little bit of different, use just the bit of that what the Holy Spirit does to us.
Wow. Father Chris, I'm still a little bit confused with the bird, paraclete, advocate, comforter. I get a feeling that if we talk a little bit more, you're going to come up with something else, and it will grow and grow.
Well, the Holy Spirit basically is one of the greatest topics. In the Old Testament, they call the Holy Spirit Ruach.
Oh, there we go. Now he's a Ruach. What is a Ruach?
Well, Ruach is the spirit that gives life. When God was creating Adam and Eve, He breathed the breath of Ruach into their nose, and basically they started to be alive. So He breathed in the soul and the Holy Spirit inside of them.
Father Chris, we have to clear something here. We've been doing this show for a while, and I noticed that when we do it over and over, you instead of getting things simple, you make them complicated. Like today, I started with a simple word, advocate, and you came up with parakletos, ruach, Old Testament. This is a show for the kids. We have to make the thing simple. And I understand
Okay, I understand that, but sometimes you have to, the explanation is a little bit longer and involves a little bit more things.
Well, maybe we should make a change.
A change? Okay, what do you mean with that?
Well, you're always the one that runs the show. Maybe from next week, I'm gonna run the show.
What do you mean you're gonna run the show?
Well, you won't be just here as my, how should I call you? As my Siri.
What? What do you mean with Siri?
Well, if I don't know something, I'm gonna ask. But I will run the show by myself and explain how I understand those things to the kids.
So what happens if you say something wrong?
Well, then you may listen, and maybe I'll give you the time to correct me. But this is how we understand and think. They don't have to be right.
Well, yes, they have to be. Oh,
See? There we go. They are again taking over. So from next week, this is my show, and I'm dictating the tone.
well, it's always worth it to try. So since you get your 50 likes, this is your show, Kelly.
Wow. Can I also do my background a different way?
What do you mean? You don't like my background?
I told you for the quiz way ago that it's supposed to be bright and shiny and pink and full of color. Instead, you make it serious every single week.
Okay, so you are in charge of everything. I'm just gonna be here, and whenever you have a question, I'll be the one that will answer. I'll be the version, the Father Chris version of a Siri. Are you satisfied?
Yes, thank you. You just made my day, and it is truly a special Sunday.
Well, so I don't know.
Let me finish.
Okay.
So thank you kids for watching us. Thank you for watching Father Chris and Kelly. If you like us in the show, remember 50 comments and we're gonna roll it. And remember, if you like it, me, I'll be the host and I will blow your mind. It'll be awesome. So God bless you and bye bye.
Bye, everyone.